gone. Hey guys, it's Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here, still on the run, still hiding out from Corona. Just hiding out in an abandoned house at the moment, hiding under a bed. Just hoping that Corona won't get me. So, still got my trusty Aldi beans, my trusty shotgun, just in case I need them. But yeah, I figured it might just be safe enough to give you guys some more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. So today's sound effect is going to be a bed squeaking. So here we go. Oh fuck, I made too much noise. Stay fucking back, Corona! Wash your hands!